Skullcandy was born on a chairlift. We grew up in the outdoors. The mountains are our playground, our home. They're where we go to get still, no matter how fast they make us want to move. Where we follow the trails ahead of us and forge our own along the way. We've left our tracks all over these mountains, and they've left their mark on us. And it's time for us to fight like hell on their behalf, starting by the way we do business. We are hitting replay on our products. Through partnerships with facilities around the globe, we're able to properly recycle and upcycle our products for resale, and we donate a portion of those proceeds to protect our winters. We've already saved hundreds of thousands of pounds of products from landfills, with a goal to grow that number to 1 million by 2025. We're thinking outside the box by fully refreshing our packaging process. Not only are we reducing our use of plastic and materials, we're decreasing the size of each box and rolling out 100% recyclable packaging by 2022. We're implementing lean manufacturing to increase efficiencies at our production line, and we're creating products with a smaller carbon footprint by optimizing things like battery size and plastic usage. We're empowering our consumers to join the fight by incentivizing them to recycle their old audio products and offering carbon-neutral solutions at checkout. And finally, we're getting loud and working alongside our friends at Protect Our Winters by using our platforms to educate and advocate for progress on a local and national level. And we won't stop until we see change. So, let's continue to leave our tracks on these mountains we call home, while we fight to protect them for future generations. Join us.